Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a flower. First, let's start with the basic shapes. Begin by lightly sketching a small circle for the center of your flower. Then, draw a slightly larger, lighter circle around it. This second circle will act as a guide for placing your petals. Remember to keep your lines very light at this stage, as we'll be refining them soon. Now, let's give our flower its beautiful petals. Start drawing individual petals, extending them from the inner circle outwards towards your larger guide circle. Don't make them all identical. Varying their shapes and sizes will give your flower a more natural and organic feel. Try overlapping some petals slightly to add depth and make your drawing more dynamic. With your petals in place, it's time to refine your drawing. Carefully erase the initial guide circles, leaving only your petal shapes. Next, add some subtle details to your petals, like small lines or veins, to give them texture and make them look more realistic. Finally, draw a simple stem extending downwards and add a couple of leaves to complete your flower. To bring your flower to life, let's add some shading. Use a light touch to create shadows where petals overlap or curve, and leave some areas lighter for highlights. Darken the very center of the flower to create a nice contrast and add depth. Take a moment to review your drawing, making any final adjustments to lines or shading. You've just drawn a beautiful flower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.